clean bathtub without scrubbing. How to clean a dirty bathtub fast. If these are your questions, in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to clean your bathtub without scrubbing. That will change your life, and let's dive right in. I found this little cleaning hack, how to clean your bathtub without scrubbing. No water, no brushing, nothing. And what we are going to use is going to be stainless steel wipe. Just try to see whether it works, and it really cleaned my bathtub really well. So I'm going to clean this dingy bathtub, and we are going to try these wipes on, and you will see amazingly how this cleans without scrubbing. And so let's start right now to see. So we can see all the dingy, how dirty this bathtub looks like. You can see all that, how dirty that looks. And so we are going. So first thing, make sure that your bathtub is dried. There's no water or anything. That makes it easier to clean it fast. And then just get your wipes. I'm just gonna take some, seal this back on airtight, and just gonna fold this. All right, so once this is folded, and then with your wipes, all you have to do is start scrubbing. Look at how that just come right off. See that? Look at that. And look at the side. See how that is clean right away? That is clean. Just fold it over, then just scrub it. See how that is just coming right off? Look at that. See how that just came? Look at this. And that is done. Look at that. So easy. This is so simple. And then it also keeps your bathtub shining. Look at the transformation. How it's just coming right off. You don't have to scrub. Just use your Weiman stainless wipe. Now we get four new wipes again. And just see that right away. Look at that. And look at the field. And look at how shining it's looking too. Shining and bright. Look at our field. And then we just turn the other side. Just clean the rest. And then we just finish this. Almost done. This just takes less than. Our field. All the soaps come. It's all wiped down. Just wipe all the edges. And we are done. This is all clean, white. And we are just going to get a new one to go over everything, the whole bathtub. Go over all this here. Just clean all these. Look how shiny this is. Just getting a new wipes, another 4 more. And then we're just gonna go over everything. Start from here. Just go over this. Clean this. See how shining, how bright this bathtub is looking. Go over this as well. So we're just going over everything. And that's it. Look at our final product. Look at how shiny this bathroom looks. Look at that. Look at how shiny and lovely. Look at that. And we just did this by the Weiman wipes. And this just takes you under 10 minutes. Look at all that. This is all clean compared to how it was before. Neat. You can see how clean this is. It's bright. It's looking shiny. This is lovely. All that is clean. Alright, so now that we have finished wiping down, making our bathtub look very clean, beautiful, just gonna wipe it down. That's it. And that's it. And now you have a clean, bright, beautiful bathtub. And it's done so simply, no scrubbing. And we are done. So friends, I just showed you how to clean your bathtub fast, easy, without scrubbing by just using Women's stainless steel wipe. This has been a life-changing cleaning product that I've been using. I use this for my bathtub now. Because if you don't feel like scrubbing, using brush, using water, using soap, use the wipes and then it just cleans so easily. You can see how we just did it. Less than 10 minutes, you are done making your bathtub look so bright and so new and shining, and I love it. So hope this will help you to be able to clean your bathtub. If you just want to clean it simple and easy, this should help you do that. My name is Florence at FlorenceStraka.com. Homemaking made simple for modern women. If you want to learn how to clean bathtub under 10 minutes, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on that video. Take care. Bye.